In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix FaceTime audio not working on iOS 17 or later, whether you're in the middle of an important conversation or trying to catch up with a friend. When your FaceTime audio isn't working, it can be quite frustrating. But don't worry, I'm here to guide you through some straightforward solutions that can resolve these issues and get you back to chatting smoothly. Let's start by checking the most basic settings, your mute and volume. It's easy to overlook, but sometimes the simplest solutions can be the most effective, right? Make sure your iPhone isn't accidentally muted and that the volume is turned up. You can quickly adjust this by checking the buttons on the side of your device. With that done, try making a FaceTime call to see if the audio issue persists. If that doesn't solve the problem, the next step is to restart the FaceTime app. To do this, you'll need to swipe up from the bottom of your screen to open up the app switcher. Find FaceTime and then swipe it up and off the screen to close it. After a moment, reopen the app to see if the issue is resolved. Sometimes a quick refresh is all an app needs to function correctly. Moving on, let's ensure that FaceTime has proper access to your microphone. This is crucial because without this permission enabled, FaceTime won't be able to transmit your audio at all. Head over to your settings, then scroll down to Privacy and Security and select Microphone. Here, confirm that FaceTime is toggled to the on position. If it's not, switch it on and try another call. Next, let's test if your microphone itself is working properly. You can do this easily using the Voice Memos app or the Camera app in video mode. Record a quick voice memo or video and play it back to check if your voice is being captured clearly. If you notice any issues here, they might be related to a hardware problem with your microphone. If everything checks out so far and FaceTime is still not working correctly, consider restarting your iPhone. To do this, simply hold down the power button, slide to power off, wait a few seconds and then turn your phone back on. This can clear out temporary glitches that might be affecting your device's performance. Lastly, it's important to ensure your iPhone's operating system is up to date, as updates can resolve bugs that might be affecting app functionality. Navigate to Settings, tap on General, and then Software Update. If an update is available, go ahead and install it. Hopefully, by following these steps, your FaceTime audio is now back up and running. Thank you for watching, and happy FaceTiming.